Irene Hassel has been through the ringer with her teeth. She had many procedures to fix problems that finally got implants. Within a month, her teeth were breaking.
So can I take a look at your teeth, see how they're doing?
Then Dr. Mamali Rashad told her about CAD-CAM. A computer scans the patient's mouth to make a custom image of what's needed.
We put it inside the computer like a cartoon, an avatar, and then from there we create a tooth, a virtual tooth, and that virtual tooth becomes a real tooth through this milling and manufacturing process.
A computer-aided milling machine makes teeth out of a block of ceramic or composite resin.
Fantastic.
Dr. Rashad used CAD-CAM for Irene's whole procedure. It helped him to find the best placement for her implants and to make this prosthesis. Here's the result. Irene's case was complicated and took almost a year, but CAD-CAM can do 1 to 2 teeth in a morning.
Now, because it's going through this avatar, the computer, it can be done almost instantaneously, the same day, at least within 2 hours.
It brought a perfect smile to Irene's face.
I do whatever I want now. They feel great, they're beautiful, and my face is the proper shape. So I couldn't be happier.
I'm Marty Salt reporting.